everyone, in this video I will show you around Granada, Nicaragua, and I will let you know where we ate, what were my favorite places, and some extra tips and my opinions about the city. In the next vlogs you will also get to see how we visited Masaya volcano, Apoyo Lake, and so much more, so subscribe if you want to make sure you see all of that. And also, right now I will let you know about our first stop, which was the Church of the Mercy. So we are now walking in the city, sorry for my messy hair, and we are next to the Church of Mercy, and we are walking towards the La Frontera restaurant, which is very popular here in Granada, and it has amazing reviews. I hope it will be good. I will let you know. After that we will just visit the city. Here you can see the church. We will come back later to visit it and the other churches around the city that I have saved. I remember that it was a bit difficult to find a good restaurant with a lot of reviews here, maybe because Granada is not a very touristic place and they don't use maybe that much Google Maps, but I really recommend the place where we ate. Here is the restaurant menu, and here is the garden here, which is so pretty. So literally we are eating here, as you can see. And this drink here, it's called Grandma drink, and it's traditional from Granada. From what I've read, you won't find it anywhere else in the country, which is pretty cool. And it has a very interesting taste. It is made with lemon and grama, they said. So yeah, it's pretty good. So we ordered some burger and quesadilla, and the food was really good. It was a bit pricey, but it was worth it. And you can also see an ant enjoying some of our food. Anyways, after going out of the restaurant, we were headed to one of my favorite areas of the city, and it's called Plaza Xalteva, and I really recommend you to visit this place. It is really beautiful. So now we are next to Iglesia Xalteva, which is a pretty big and orange church. I will show you right now. The area around here is really so pretty around this church. So I think this was really my favorite place in the city because it was so clean and so beautiful, very well organized all around this park, and you can easily spend a few hours just relaxing here. It is really nice. Everything seems to have so much color here. I don't understand, like look around, but especially that way, like so much color, even the trees, the buildings. I'll also probably mention it in the next vlogs that everything in Nicaragua seemed so much more colorful than usual. So here is the other church where we passed by earlier, and I think you can climb up there. Let's see. This church was really beautiful from the inside, also from the outside, but I really recommend you to go in and walk around it and admire its beauty because it's really worth it. And then, as I will mention later in this video, you can pay $1, I think, and go up the stairs to admire the beauty of the city from above. I really recommend you to do that. You have to climb for a bit. It can be tiring, and the stairs are really small, but it's really worth it. So we climbed all the way up here, and we still have to climb a little bit more. The entrance was $1, which was pretty cheap, and I hope we'll have a good view of the city, Granada. We have arrived at the top, and here is the view we are seeing on one side. The good thing is that we have an all-around view of the city, which is pretty cool. We can go all around and see the city from all the sides. Look at how the houses are made, like it's so interesting. Like the garden is inside, and it's like a square. It reminds me of the It is very nice and interesting. As you want to be here inside the house, inside the square. Mombacho volcano, which is not visible because of the clouds, sadly, And you can see the famous cathedral of Granada, so beautiful. And I think there's a fire over there, and a lot of palm trees, gardens, trees, and a lot of color, so beautiful. What really surprised me was the fact that there are not so many tourists around here. So for example, we were here alone for quite some time before going down. At some point another couple came in, but that's it, and we were during high season, so that's a good plus, but I don't know for how long that will last, so enjoy it while it's like this. The city honestly seems very safe, at least during the daytime, but one thing that I have to say is that the drivers are crazy here. They won't let you cross, they are driving so fast, so I think the biggest danger here could be just crossing the street. So right now I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, if you find it useful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. If you have any questions or anything to add, just leave a comment down below. I will answer to every comment that I receive. And anyways, now back at the video, you can see the most famous cathedral in Granada. It is really beautiful. We stayed at Hostal Azul and we were really next to this cathedral. We had to walk for 3 minutes, I think, to reach it, so that was amazing. But I think there are a lot of Airbnbs and hotels close to the city center because it's not really that big, so you can walk everywhere. As you can see, we were just walking around on streets and admiring the city, and everything was very nice. The people were really chill and they seemed friendly, and the buildings looked very similar everywhere you looked. It was a little bit weird that all of them, or most of them, had gates. Maybe the city was not that safe in the past, but it seemed pretty safe right now, so I am not sure why that is. You can leave it down below in the comments if you know better, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.